Have you ever wondered how Chinese cars went from being considered low quality to global contenders seemingly overnight? In this video, we unravel the mystery surrounding their rapid transformation. Buckle up, because you're in for a journey that challenges everything you thought you knew about the automotive industry. For years, Chinese cars were dismissed by many as cheap imitations. But recent advancements have catapulted them onto the world stage. What are the factors that contributed to this astonishing turnaround? From innovative technology to strategic investments, let's break it down. A significant shift took place when Chinese manufacturers began investing heavily in research and development. This investment led to breakthrough technologies, specifically in areas like image recognition and machine learning. Stay tuned as we delve into these technological marvels. But wait! Did you know that some of the most advanced image recognition systems are now being developed in China? This technology not only enhances safety features but also improves driving experiences. Let's explore how it works. What do we mean by image recognition in cars? Think of it as the car's ability to see and understand its surroundings, just like humans do. It helps in identifying pedestrians, traffic signals, and obstacles on the road, making driving safer and more intuitive. Now, let's shift to a mind-blowing concept: visual SLAM, simultaneous localization and mapping. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a key technology that allows cars to create a 3D map of their environment in real time. How is this possible? Let's find out. Here's a quick reminder. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on automotive technology. Your support helps us bring you more engaging content. Visual SLAM enables cars to navigate complex environments by constantly updating their location and surroundings. This plays a crucial role in autonomous driving, helping vehicles make split-second decisions. But how did Chinese companies become leaders in this field? Let's dig deeper. To truly appreciate the advancements, we must look at how data analytics plays a pivotal role in optimizing vehicle performance. By analyzing driving patterns and user behavior, manufacturers can continually improve their cars. This is where the magic happens. You might be asking, have these cars always been this good? The answer is both yes and no. While some models have shown impressive capabilities, the rapid advancements have mostly occurred in recent years, driven by competition and consumer demand. Looking ahead, what does the future hold for Chinese cars? With ongoing investments in AI and machine learning, we can expect even more groundbreaking innovations. What could these advancements mean for the global automotive landscape? To recap, the rise of Chinese cars is not simply a case of improved manufacturing but rather a revolution fueled by technology like image recognition, object detection, and visual SLAM. The next chapter in the automotive world is here, and it's exciting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore the impact of electric vehicles on the global market. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.